Let's do it.
Yogi Clan, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to Yogi's Cycle Service. So I want to answer the question today of where the heck has Yogi been? It has been months since I've released the video, and I just want to tell y'all I'm sorry. Long story short, honestly, I got burnt out. Life was hitting me pretty hard. A lot of stuff going on, which we'll get into here in a second, and I was burnt out from recording and editing. You know, when every ride you do pretty much turns into a recording, a video ride, and it takes a lot of time. Every video I put out, basically there's about anywhere from 5 to 20 hours of work put in each video. And when you're trying to do 1 to 2 videos a week, that adds up to a lot of time. And after 2-3 years of doing that, it wore me out, and I got burnt out. So I am sorry I've been MIA, but I want to shout out a huge props and a huge thank you to Blue Bike and Doyle. And he sent me a message back before Christmas, and I saw it, but I totally forgot about it and totally forgot to return the message. So then yesterday, I had gotten home from work, my phone rings, and it's Doyle, and he's like, "Hey man, you okay, bro?" I'm like, "Yeah." He's like, "I sent you a message." I'm like, "Yeah, dude, I'm sorry." I totally forgot, and I totally forgot. So, my bad, Doyle, I'm sorry. But yep, I'm still alive. I'm still kicking. As you can tell, Miss Piggy is fixed. If you are a subscriber to this channel, you'll know that I rode Miss Piggy to Indiana this summer, and in northern Ohio on the way home, the fuel pump started going out, and literally 600 miles later it died in my driveway. So she is finally fixed. She's running pretty good. I only have a couple hundred miles on her. I finished fixing it right before Christmas. So Miss Piggy's back up and running. But what happened this year? What happened in May? Well, really since May, because it was about May when I stopped really recording videos and making videos. So again, if you're a subscriber and you've followed kind of what's going on in my life, you know we got our foster care license and got into foster care. And this is not traditional foster care, it's transitional foster care. So basically, we foster the kids who are detained at the border coming across from Central America. Okay, when ICE captures them at the border because they're trying to come over here to make it over to family, we foster those kids. And since May 1st, now it's, let's say January 21st, we're getting 2 more kids being placed with us tonight. 2 young girls, one age 14 and one age 7. They will be number 25 and 26 since May 1st. 26 kids have come through our house since May 1st. Blows my mind. So we've had our hands full in 2022 with kids coming and going from our house. But that didn't derail me. You know, honestly, really was getting burned out. I've done also a lot of club stuff. Our club, Forge Brotherhood Motorcycle Club, we're growing. It's been a blessed year. It's been slow and steady. We're trying to work on new states and new areas, but so far we've been rocking in Tennessee, we've been rocking in Indiana, North Carolina, and Georgia, and we're working on a few other states. I'm not going to mention what states right now until we get some rights to fly. When and if that day comes, I'll make that announcement, but yeah, we're learning a whole lot in this process. Developing relationships, making new relationships, and just really enjoying the time of brotherhood. And now that it's January, I'm setting my sights on the Orphan Run again. That's coming up beginning of April. I think it's April 1st of this year. Speedway Harley-Davidson in Concord. This will be our 10th year. I am really stoked, really excited. You know, all the proceeds of that go to Sacred Selections, a nonprofit group that helps adoptive family offset the costs of adoption. Whether it's domestic or foreign, you know, they helped fund 9 of our adoptions. They've helped our family tremendously. So we're getting ready to gear up for that. Hopefully we can partner again with Refuge Riders. They let us use their clubhouse last year for us to host the weekend and crash at. So yeah, man, looking forward to doing that again. So if you get a chance, come see us in Concord, North Carolina. Join in on the Orphan Run. $15 per rider, $20 if you're 2 up. You'll get a free lunch. You know, go check out the videos on my channel from the past few years, and it's gonna be the same thing, different day. So always a good time, always a lot of fun. We should have brothers coming in from all over the place. Looking forward to seeing them. We're doing Friday night tradition. We do a crawfish boil. One of our brothers, Mudbug is his road name, because of that. Mudbug is going to do a crawfish boil again on Friday night. If you want to sink your teeth into some good North Carolina boil, hit me up and I'll get you the address and come hang out with us for the night. So yeah, man, that's what's going on. Turned 51, getting older, y'all. Time is flying by. But this bike's doing pretty well. Bertha, my bagger, she's doing pretty well. The only thing I got wrong is I got to replace the turn signal switches, or the switches on it, because my brake light, my front brake light switch is not working anymore. So gonna replace that. Probably put that on video soon. Obviously, like I said, the Fat Boy's fixed. I recorded all of that. I'll be releasing that here shortly. So I'm really hoping that I can get back up in the swing. I know, really, I suffered from burnout for probably about a year and a half, but I tried my best to push through it. But man, summer of last year, I just had enough. So this morning, I'm like, you know what? I'm going to record a video today. Busted out the camera from my bag. Both batteries on the GoPros were dead since they just had been sitting in the cameras for 6 months now. I think the last time I used these GoPros were when I went to Indiana back in July. So I haven't used the GoPros to record a video. That's 7 months. So I just want to apologize to you all, for those who are avid watchers of the channel, that I've just been MIA. But I'm hoping I can revive that and get out of my funk and get back to where I was. Channel continued to grow. We're now about almost 8,700 subscribers on the channel. I feel so blessed. I'm hoping by this summer maybe we can bust the 10,000 mark. And I thank you all for all the support, all the comments, all the love. Man, I'm humbled by that. So once again, I'm just sorry I've been MIA for so long, but I missed you guys. I miss talking to you guys. I miss sharing with you guys. I still have those 2 bikes in the garage. That Honda Valkyrie, you know, the one that just needed the clutch bled. Well, I've rebuilt the carbs. It's ready to put the carbs back on. Ready to hook up the gas lines and see if we can get it to fire. So today I'm going to go home after I'm done riding with my brother, Just Adam, and working, cleaning out the garage and getting it set back up so we can start filming again in the garage. I really miss working on bikes. I really haven't done. Last year I didn't really work on much of anything. I just shut it all down and just took a break. I guess maybe sometimes you need to do that. So I hope you all are doing well. I hope you all had an awesome holidays. I hope this message finds you blessed. And looking forward to getting back together with y'all. And by all means, don't forget Orphan Run April 1st. I would love to see you, love to meet you. And I guess that's all I got. Alright, y'all. Love you guys. Thanks for joining. Thanks for watching my rant. And I hope to see you soon on the next video. Alright, y'all. Love you guys. Peace. Let's go for a ride.